Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is EuniGold and this video is all about how to clear your acne and pimples on a budget. Because when I started my acne journey, I really don't have much to be buying expensive products. So I tried a lot of home remedies which actually improved my skin, although some worked and some did not work. But I'll be sharing with you guys the ones that worked for me, and I'll also drop the links of some of the videos I made during that time. You can check the description box there you watch the video. Sometimes your skin don't even want all these too much products, all these too much serums. It can actually break you out. Yes, I'm talking based on experience. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing these tips on how to clear your acne and pimples without spending money. Yes, without spending a dime. I've been wanting to share this video with you guys long time ago, but I keep procrastinating it. I'm sorry. So guys, let's dive into the video. To maintain a healthy, glowing skin tone, you need to take both care of your internal and your external body. Have you ever thought of spending so much money on skincare products and they seems not to work? That is literally because you are focusing more on the physical aspect or the external aspect. To maintain a glowing skin tone, you need to take good care of your body physically and internally. Yeah, both of them work hand in hand. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 15 ways and tips on how to maintain a glowing skin tone, a bright skin tone from head to toe without spending any money. Yes, you are not spending any money. But before I proceed, like this video. Give this video a thumbs up because you might be carried away with so much excitement to try these tips and you will forget to like the video. Please like this video. This is because when you like this video, you can come back anytime, any day and still watch this video. It's just as if you are saving it. So my special thanks goes to my returning subscribers. I thank you all. Thanks for always coming through for me. You guys are amazing. And if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you. So guys, let me start with the internal aspects, then I'll move to the external aspect. So number one here is what I literally do every morning when I wake up is drink a cup of warm lemon water. Sure you get it. Every morning when I wake up in the morning after brushing my teeth, I'll just squeeze out some lemon juice, then dilute it with some warm water. Lemon juice contains citric acid and antioxidants. Many sources claim that lemon water has powerful health benefits, such as reducing kidney stones, aids in weight loss, detox the body, and reduce the risk of cancer. Yes, it is really true. But do you know that you can hardly fall sick if you're drinking lemon water every morning? But that is not where I'm going to. What I'm actually talking about is drinking lemon water daily works great, especially for those with acne prone skin. You can either take it warm or cold, and if you don't like the taste, you can add some honey. Now, this is why it reduces acne and pimples, since lemon water effectively flushes out harmful toxins from your system. The chance of breaking out stand reduced and also reduce wrinkles. Okay, number two, drink a lot of water. Water does not only work for the system, it also improves the skin look, the skin appearance. One thing you need to understand is that dehydration affects how your body functions. So it will make your body, it will make your skin to appear dull and dry. So what I do is that after taking the lemon water, I'll wait for like 5 minutes before I proceed in taking my water. Okay, it doesn't end there. I take water anytime I feel like, not anytime I'm thirsty. At least in a day, you should take 3 to 4 liters of water. Yes, to keep your skin looking good, looking fresh and shining. Number 3, eat healthy food. Research has shown that antioxidants helps your body to fight against diseases by reducing potential damage, inflammations, and wrinkles. Consume balanced diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, etc. So consider adding some antioxidant rich food such as spinach, cranberries, blueberries, red grapes, green tea, and also food high in fats such as avocado, fish, olive oil, etc. You can replace all those sugary foods and beverages, carbonated drinks and junk foods with healthy foods. Eat enough vegetables, eat enough fruits. Since I started eating healthy foods, my life has never remained the same. Oh yes, my skin has never remained the same. This breakfast I have here contains all the 6 classes of food. All this food helps maintain youthful appearance. Number 4, get enough rest. This is very important. Quality and uninterrupted sleep is so vital to the health. Sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours every day. When you have enough sleep, your body repairs itself, and that includes damage done during the day. Number 5 is exercise. Aerobic exercise is very important. For example, by walking long and short distances. So guys, that is all about internal beauty. Now let's move to the physical or external aspect of beauty. Number 1, always exfoliate. Exfoliate your skin for at least 1 to 2 times a week is very, very important. If your body cream is not working, that might be because you are not exfoliating your skin. So always exfoliate. Number 2, use a face pack. To be sincere, guys, I have never bought a face pack before. This is what I use as my face pack: grounded oatmeal, aloe vera gel, honey, and a drop of lemon juice, which is optional. How does a face pack work? A face pack will force out stubborn grime and dirt from the deeper layers of your skin. For stubborn dark spots and wrinkles, apply this once a week. Number 3, steam your face. Steam your face once a week. Steaming your face softens your skin and opens your pores. When you steam your face, it helps you get rid of whitehead and blackheads, acne and pimples. Number 4, limit makeups and heavy products. Let your skin breathe. Avoid products that clog the pores. Avoid them. Number 5, avoid harsh chemical creams. Avoid bleaching creams. They are not good for your skin. Avoid them. Instead, use home remedies. Use natural remedies. They work better. Number 6, after washing your face in the morning or in the night, use rose water or aloe vera gel. Number 7, use rice water to wash your face every morning. Anytime you wake up, just wash your face with rice water. Leave it for about 15 to 30 minutes before you rinse it off. I've done video about the benefits of rice water. You can check it out. Rice water is very good. Rice water reduces wrinkles. So if you have recurring pimples, consider using rice water every morning. Use it to wash your face, or you can just make rice water paste. I have it. I will drop the link in the description box. So if you are interested in watching the video, you can go check it out. Check all the benefits of rice water. So use rice water every morning. Number 8, apply lemon and honey on your face once in a week. Lemon is a natural bleaching agent, while honey is a skin lightening agent. So this mixture will help you with suntan, dark spots, dark feet, dark knuckles, dark elbows, and damaged skin. 9, use your sunscreen. Whether you are inside or outside, always wear your sunscreen. Number 10, always moisturize. Don't say because you have oily skin and you will not moisturize. Always moisturize your body. Moisturize your skin. It is very, very important. You can keep your skin hydrated by always applying aloe vera gel. Don't dry out your skin. I know some people might ask me, what do I mean by moisturize? How can I moisturize? Your cream is a moisturizer. If you're looking for cream, just look for any cream that moisturizes your skin. It can be Nivea product, it can be Dove product, it can be any product, but don't allow any product to dry up your skin. If the cream is not moisturizing your body, stop it. Look for a moisturizer. When you see some ladies with beautiful skin, glowing skin, and you ask them, sis, please, what is your skincare? It will shock you that they are using home remedies. Yes, 95% of ladies uses home remedies because that is the perfect thing for our skin, because it is natural. It is good for all skin types. So guys, in all, even if you are using other products, always use home remedy at least once in a week. It is very, very important to keep your skin healthy and glowing. So guys, in all, what you need to learn is living healthy is not a treatment that you can take up for a month and then stop, especially the internal aspects. Make it a way of life. Let it become part of you, no matter where you are or where you go. And you will see that you will glow forever. You will have a healthy skin. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and also share it to your loved ones. There might be some people out there in need of this video, and you sharing it to them is a good thing. Thank you.